Today, I'm showing you how to find your Chase Bank Swift code. So for those that don't know, a Swift code is basically a bank identifier code, also known as a BIC. It's usually a set of numbers, usually 8 to 11 characters long, and it's used to identify banks and financial institutions on a global scale. So to put it in simpler terms, it's literally a way to identify that the bank you're using. And so I'm just going to discuss a couple of the Swift codes you can use. For Chase Bank in specific, they have a specific code, and I'm going to go ahead and type it out up here. It's basically CHAS US33XXX. This is the default code that Chase uses for their standard office, essentially. So this is probably the safest bet you can use, but there are other branch specific Swift codes that you can use. So if you're not sure or you want to play it safe, feel free to use this. This should work just fine. So this is specifically for international USD transfers. But if you do want to use your branch specific one, there are ways for you to do so. So I myself live in New York City. So New York City has some branch specific Swift codes of its own. So my specific one is Chase US 33 FFS. So it's a little bit different, and the easiest way you can do so is by searching up where you live and asking the branch specific Swift codes. If you open it up at a specific Chase branch, then feel free to just call them up. That's probably one of the simplest ways to do so. Call them and ask them if they have a branch specific Swift code. But again, if you're not sure, this is the safest way to go, and it should go through. If it doesn't, that's when I'd honestly look into some branch specific ones. So this code right here is mainly for international USD wire transfers because it goes to Chase's main head office. And essentially, you just have to verify with your bank statement or online banking, as branch specific codes may be listed as well. But usually you're probably not going to be asked that. An easy way to tell if you actually need a branch specific code is usually the recipient. Ask the recipient if they can accept the general branch code or they need a specific one. Make sure that the code is typed correctly. Again, it's right here. And if you can't see that very well, you can honestly just Google it. It's the head Chase office Swift code. If this helped, consider subscribing.